This is Sophia. Today I will introduce you ICT offline selective wave soldering machine. This is a customized model for a Japanese customer. The offline selective wave soldering machine is transformed from the online selective wave soldering machine. Firstly, let me introduce the transmission system for you. It uses the linear rail system with steel material design, horizontal level. This extended rail can match with other machine systems such as rubber arm. The gradient design ensures the operation safety. This is the emergency stop, and the start button is either flat. This is an integration system. It combines the spray system, the soldering system, and the program imaging system. It can save the space and keep the operations stability. The job value allows a generally practicing house job value with CE and UL certificate. Precisely control of the first consumption by software, easy operating. It's configured with train under the job value to catch the first residue for easy maintenance. Secondly, let me introduce you the soldering system. It allows the strengthened electromagnetic pump, free maintenance and reduce maintenance costs. Nitrogen preheating function is we can be better preheating before soldering, ensure the soldering performance. Here is the nitrogen flow monitoring. Soldering vision camera can monitor soldering effect in real time. With video recording function, the soldering video can be saved for 40 days and product can be traced. Modular solder top easy maintenance. The top of the tin pot is reserved for tin filling holes, which is convenient for manual tin filling. Eliminated to disassemble the furnace and the shortness the tin filling time. The nozzle reheating holes are also reserved for easy nozzle reheating installation. The nozzle model varies from 3 to 20 millimeter. Can satisfy different requirements of products. Wave height control adapts Panasonic inverter, controlled accurate soldering. With wave height detecting system, automatic wave height detection and calibration after the software has set the number of soldering, ensure repeatable soldering quality is attained. With a German imported laser sensor, more accurate compared to traditional touch sensor. Standard with the nozzle automatic cleaning function to ensure a wetting of the nozzle, guarantee the quality of the soldering and improve production efficiency. This is the air exhaust system. It can ensure the air quality of the workshop. This is PLC, Cat6 cable network, faster communication speed, responsive. It can be connected to mass system. The power supply adapts meanwhile when. And this is like the electric relay, Panasonic frequency transformer, and servo driver.